But my voice always fucking cracks in that part. Always. What can I say? Did I say something? What did I say? I didn't say anything. Yeah, my voice always cracks on that one part, so it was kind of embarrassing.
What's good? What it be? What it do? Welcome back to my channel, guys. And today I will be reacting to The Rose, She's Mine. Now that clip that you saw before was from a fan meet of The Rose where he literally said, my voice always cracks on that part, and then plays like he doesn't know what he just said. But that was so cute. I still don't know all the members' names yet, or I can't put a name with a face. But hopefully that will change today, because I've been slacking. I've been getting so many groups, and it's just been a whole bunch. But yeah, like I said, I really love The Rose. And if there's a fandom name already, could somebody comment down below what that is? But without further ado, The Rose, She's in the Rain, Envy, let the show begin. Rated 12. I already got the water.
Do you hear me?
Yes, I do. Ooh, I love that guitar. Wow, his skin. Isn't that the place where Luna filmed? Or one of the members from Luna filmed? I'm pretty sure other groups have used that same location too. Let me not. Whoa. Ah, I love his voice. I think I read somewhere that there was a shiny reference in this Envy. that note. Oh my gosh. That song, oh, that spoke to me so much. And like I kind of see, I'm gonna have to go back and find that post that I saw and really read into it and watch it again. But I think it was Facebook or Twitter I read there was a Shiny reference in this MV. But like that song spoke to me so much. And like just the lyrics, and like from the few English lyrics, like you can get the grasp of it and understand it. Oh, excuse me. And understand what they're saying and what's going on. And it was just, that song was so deep. Oh my gosh. Like I felt that in my freaking soul. Oh. This is why I love groups like this. Like I love it, like with them actually playing the instruments and everything. It brings a whole nother experience and feel and vibe to the song. And it was just, I can't wait to put this song on my phone and listen to it over and over again. It is a great song. Like I'm gonna get to it. But down below in the comments, let me know what I should react to next. Let me know who the members are. Please let me know who G members are. And let me know who your bias is. And follow me on all my social medias. They'll be down below in the description. Like always, like, comment, subscribe to the channel, share this video, it helps out the channel a whole lot. And I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed the show because I know I did. Peace.
We got it all